What's up everyone, Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans, and today I'm going to show you how to install our CLIMA-SHADEs. These are the rear CLIMA-SHADEs for the full plastic. If you guys know the difference, this is full plastic. Some vans will come half plastic, like all Storytellers do not have this top piece of plastic, so it's a half plastic cover, and then some have no plastic where it's all metal. So we have three different styles. This particular one is for the Winnebago Rebel. So this will just slide right in here, just like that, and then we'll put magnets up, and that's it. So let me show you how this is done. We've already pre-done this to speed up the video, but essentially in your kit you will have a left side and a right side CLIMA-SHADE rear insulated zippered CLIMA-SHADE. You'll also have a little packet of the different pulleys. These are little zip pulleys, and we just thought it'd be cool to offer a few different colors. So hopefully one of these colors. It comes standard with the brown already on there, and then you can add black and orange and yellow and red, etc., to whatever style or colorway your van is. So hopefully this was something that adds value to them. Also, you'll get a packet with all of our metal tabs, little instructions, and the tape to put on the metal tabs, and then the alcohol wipes to clean the window. Okay, so that's my first go on any of this. Is I want to take out our Canyon Adventure Vans alcohol wipes. I'll peel this open. Also, we got the little QR codes everywhere that'll take you right to this video as well. Make it easy for you. But what I do is I just open this up. I'll use one side on this window, and I go right along the window right here. I don't need to do anywhere else. Just this is where the magnets are going to go, right along that black highlighted area right there. Okay, I'll flip it over, and then I'll do this window. Same thing. Let's get off. It's really important you get off any dirt and debris. Clean that. Okay. Done with that. Now the next step is you're going to have, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 metal tabs on each set of window covers. It's a lot, but because they're zippered, we wanted to have the extra strength. So definitely we have more magnets in our window covers than anybody out on the market, but we had to do that because you're pulling on them, and with the zipper we wanted it to be really strong. So the first step is in your bag you'll have these metal tabs, and you'll peel one side off. You want to leave the 3M side out. That's the part that's going to go on your actual window. And you'll just line it up like so. And just like that. So I would just sit here, grab yourself a cold beverage, and you got to do about 26 of these for this particular install. Once you get them all placed and ready to go, what I like to do is find, see, I think this side, I took these off. I like to find out where the magnets are at, right? So there's a magnet right here. Boom, I'll put that here. I have another one over here. There's a magnet right there, and I'll put that right there. So I'll get them all in place all the way around, and then the next step is I'll stand up here, put this in place, and then start peeling one at a time, okay? So now that this is all ready, make sure you got each one. So this is definitely the passenger side window, okay? And I like to just put everything in here and kind of just line it up so it's even. I don't want it to be like this or this way or down. I want it to just get a fit. See how it's gonna fit in here. Kind of split the difference, top and bottom. It's good there. Split the difference left to right. So then once I do that, I know how it's gonna fit. I can actually climb up on a step here to make it a lot easier for me. I'll take this one, peel it off, make sure it's centered on that magnet so it's got maximum and forth. Figure out where this is gonna go. Okay, that's pretty easy. And I'll take this magnet right here and I'm gonna put it right up against the window. But if you notice, it's really clean up against this plastic right here. So that's where I want it to be, just like that. I don't want it crooked, I want it nice and straight, and I want it all the way up to the plastic. I don't want it down here because the magnet's gonna miss. So that's the right spot. And then what I'll do is I'll put that on there, okay? That helps me line everything up again. Everything's good, so then I'll go to the next one. I'll peel this off. I'll peel off the paper. I'll look and figure out where the magnet is. It's right here. So I want to kind of line that up, match that. Same thing, keeping it nice and straight, following along this pattern, right up against the plastic right here. I don't want it too far up and I don't want it too far down. It's just right on the edge. So that way, if you ever do take your window covers off, which you would never need to, it just looks aesthetically pleasing and everything's in place. And if you do it right, you'll get the maximum magnet support that you can, okay? So I'm just gonna kind of go along the edge. Let's get this side now. Same thing. Figure out where that one is. That one's right on that curve right there. So kind of just split the difference. Make sure it's pushed on there real well. Okay, perfect. I like side to side. Just keep checking it back and forth. Make sure that you're putting it on correctly. Now I'll come over to this side. Same thing. Peel it, locate the magnet. It's gonna go right there. Boom, nice and clean. Okay, now I'm working on my side, so I want to split the difference here. Okay, I like that, so I'll go right to this one. If you take your time and putting all these on here, it'll come out really clean. Just make sure it's all lined up. Okay, same thing there. Now I'll come over here. The next one is right here. And you'll just continue that. And I'll go back and forth just so I make sure that this is centered and kind of work myself all the way down to the end. So I can see that right here on that line. Go to the next one, and you'll just continue this, bounce back and forth all the way till you get to the bottom one here. Again, press up, get a good adhesion, and that's it. This thing's on there. So all locked in, not going anywhere. I can zip this thing down. I can easily zip it back up. And then this is what it looks like when you're all done. So you should have all these metal tabs nice and clean and lined up right along the edge. And then so when you put your covers up, it's literally just like that. And you should never have to take these off. And then the other thing is you have your different colored zipper tabs, pulleys. So if you want to switch these out, you just pull this through the loop like this, and then you can slide this one out and then put the new one back in. So you can change these out to any color that you want. We've heard a lot of customers like the brighter one because at night when they want to unzip it or see what's outside, instead of trying to figure out where they're at, they can actually see it a little bit where their zipper pulls are to be able to zip this down and take a peek outside. So pretty cool. That's how you install the passenger side. Now we'll go over and do the driver side, which is exactly the same way. Okay, there you have it. Driver side's done, passenger side's done. Super easy, just takes a little bit of time peeling all the magnets, getting them in place, but once you're done, you got a beautiful set of window covers that are insulated, and you'll never have to take them off and go store them. Solid, insulated, blackout. Love these things. So hopefully this video helped you understand the easy process of installing our rear window zippered covers. These are our new CLIMA-SHADEs, and that's it. If this video was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment. All the links below for Instagram, Facebook, email, everything, website, canyonadventurevans.com. We'll continue to put out educational product highlight videos and install videos to make your experience with Canyon Adventure Vans super easy. When you get our products, you'll know how to install them. So until the next one, we'll see you soon.